Autodesk Showcase 2012 real-time 3D presentation and rendering software enables architects, interior designers, and principals to transform their design into compelling imageries, movies, and real-time presentations. Let's see how you can automatically turn your architecture design into real-time presentation that you can use for reviews and convincing sales pitches. For the purpose of this presentation, we will be using an FBX format that was originally exported from Revit Architecture. But of course, the same process would apply to DWG files or any other files supported by Showcase. The import process and creation of visual material is made easy with the import template. Selecting a template will automatically generate a Showcase scene from an imported file that includes environments, shots, and storyboard slides. Once the import process is done, you will notice that your model is already set up and ready for presentations. The model is imported in the selected environment, producing real lights and shadows onto your model. The materials that were applied in Revit are preserved. The camera that was part of the FBX file has been imported and saved as a still shot. Notice that you also have two animated shots that were created by default as part of the import template. So basically, within minutes of importing and with no prior knowledge of Showcase, you have turned your FBX into an immersive 3D presentation that you can use to tell the story of your design, whether it's to make an informed decision during internal design reviews or to sell your design to your customers. You will be able to explore and experience your design in real time with Steering Wheel, the navigation tool. The exploration of your model is made easy with the definition of Walk Zone, a one-click process that will constrain your movement to walkable surface and generate a walk zone. As you're walking around your space, you can easily press Ctrl key and a number from 1 to 10 to save additional still shots that you can retrieve easily by pressing the shortcut number you have assigned to each shot. Now, if you're new to Showcase and unfamiliar with the tools it offers, no problem. The guided task wizard will have you looking like a pro and achieve your presentation quickly. The guide can help you understand the features of Showcase, such as steering wheel and saving still shots like I just showed you, or guide you to the steps required to create rendering, movies, or interactive presentation. Let's try to prepare a rendering of your scene while using the wizard. First step, choosing an angle. You can let Showcase pick an angle for you, select one of the still shots that we have saved while walking around the model, or use the Alt key, orbit around your model, and choose an angle yourself. Step 2, choose a visual style. Now let's open the Visual Style tools to view our options. Within the Visual Style Appearance window, you will find different visual options to present your scene, including the non-photorealistic styles. These non-photorealistic styles can help your presentation focus on design intent. You also have photorealistic options that give you high-quality ray tracing. If you have used a previous version of Showcase, you will notice that the performance of the ray tracing has dramatically improved. Depending on your scene, the ray tracing in Showcase 2012 is up to 10 times faster than in previous release. Let's keep the photorealistic style and move to the third step, where we'll pick the output size and save the image. And that's it, we're done. Within minutes of using the Quick Start wizard, you'll be able to create stunning images, movies, or interactive presentations that you can share with stakeholders. Of course, it doesn't stop there. You can explore more design variations dynamically with peers, management, and customers, thus accelerating the feedback loop. For instance, you can easily create different alternatives to explore design variations. Alternatives let you compare and contrast variation of your design. For example, parts of a model, color studies, or location of model or objects. Let's create a material alternative and compare material options for your design. Start by pressing M to open the material palette. Showcase supports the Autodesk Material library, so coming from Revit or AutoCAD, you'll be able to find the exact same materials and quickly apply materials that you're already familiar with. Showcase has been designed so that in just few simple steps, you can achieve outstanding results by applying photoreal materials and color to your model in real time. To change materials, you only need to select the objects you want to change. The selection process is made easy with the organizer, where you'll be able to navigate to your objects according to the Revit classification system. Click on any materials from the list and see the immediate changes on the object. If you want to keep this material selection as an alternative, click on Add Next Alternative. Create as many material alternatives as you wish to demonstrate your audience what design variation can look like. Now, another great way to help understand your design is to create different cross-sections of your model and save it as position alternatives. Cross-sections are planes that you can use to intersect sections of your model at the position, size, and angle you specify. Let's save a position alternative to start with and generate few cross-sections. Press X on your keyboard to have access to the cross-section menu. Create a cross-section, position and rotate it the way you want, and click on the next position alternative. Save as many cross-sections you need to help understand your design. You can choose to animate your cross-section and slowly reveal parts of your model as part of your presentation. Cross-section will help you expose areas of your model that are invisible to the eyes or would be hard to navigate to. To help present your design in a fluid way, you can create preset animated shots. When we imported the FBX, Showcase automatically created 2 animated shots. But what if you want to create your own? Again, in few simple steps, we'll be able to do that. Open the shot menu by pressing T on your keyboard. Now create a new shot and choose from the list of cinematic animation or create your own from start to end. To do that, pick an angle to start your animated shot with. Reset the start. Pick the final angle. Reset the end. Choose the duration and preview the results. You can fine-tune to your desire and even choose a transition from shot to shot. You have control to show your design in the angle that you want, focusing on the area of interest. Showcase also offers many pre-saved environments for you to choose from. All you do is select the environments that work best for your design, and Showcase understands how the materials you have applied to your model behave in various light situations and will adjust accordingly to the chosen environments. The result is that you benefit from realistic reflections and shadows. Now, with all these elements you have just created, you'll be able to aggregate them into a storyboard slide and lay out your interactive presentation. Add any of the environments, alternatives, and animated shot to the storyboard slide and start to create a story where the elements will be played in a certain order. For example, show the various material alternatives while your animated shot is playing. The storyboard can then be exported to movies or various formats, including Flash, that you can use to create multimedia presentations. Or you can simply choose to present this project directly in Showcase by using the presentation mode. In presentation mode, you can orbit or walk around a scene, view slide and alternatives without the possibility of changing the scene. This way, you can let stakeholders explore your design at their own pace and familiarize themselves with your project in an easy environment. They can also choose to download the free Showcase Viewer application and explore the design at the comfort of their desk. And there you have it. Your design is completely visualized in real time. Showcase has been developed to give you complete creative control of your project and speed up your time to market in the easiest and quickest way possible. Every design has a story to tell, and Showcase is the most efficient way to tell that story.